Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel 99 Reviews. In this video, I am going to tell you about WhatsApp yesterday's update in which there is a new feature called As AI Stickers. Now you can easily create stickers within your WhatsApp application and there is no need to create stickers through third-party application. Open your WhatsApp first, then go to Stickers area and here you can see the new option Create. Tap on Create and now search anything and I will create stickers for you. This I stickers convert your imaginations into stickers. For example, I search a girl with long hair crying and you can see I convert these words to sticker. So by this way, you can easily create stickers by just typing the words. This is a really cool feature of WhatsApp and you can also use it in this new update. That's it for the video. I hope you like this new WhatsApp update. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, 99 Reviews, and I will see you in the next video.